Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to add a trend line in Google Sheets. Start by creating a line or scatter chart from your data. Click and drag to highlight your data, then click Insert, and then from the menu that appears, click Chart. The chart will appear on your sheet and the chart editor will open on the right. In the chart editor, under the Setup tab, click the drop-down under the chart type and scroll down to select Line Chart or Scatter Chart. Let us use a scatter chart for this example. Now, go to the Customize tab in the chart editor. Click on Series, scroll down and then check the box that says Trendline. You can see that a trend line appears. You can also customize the trend line type, color, line opacity, thickness, and label by clicking on their corresponding drop-down buttons. So, that is how you add a trend line in Google Sheets. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.